Okay, tent tour. This is the most luxurious stay of all the camps that I am seeing. If you want a super posh camp with amazing views, spectacular safaris, welcome to Kiri Camp in the Okavango Delta. This is a little bit closer to M.T.M.B, Botswana. So this is just the outside of the tent. Let's start out here. This is room number 9 that I am in. We have double loungers here to relax, enjoy this view. It is a completely open camp, meaning there are no fences anywhere. So game can come right up to your railing. Elephants, lions. There is a pan right in front here. All right, let's go have a look inside our tent. Okay, let's start back here. Here is your bed. This is all wide open with amazing views out. Here is your day bed. Come into this side. We have a small little desk for you. Emergency radio. Come into the back side here. We have hangers for your clothing. Safe. Coffee station. Your field bar with all of your ice and any beverages that you would like in there. Yoga mat. Laundry is included. And then coming around to this side. Yes, that is a gorgeous outdoor tub. We have his and her sinks. Hey everybody. Your indoor shower. Amazing views out. Almost went right past the toilet. Can't be doing that. Here is your toilet. And then coming outside to your lovely, massive outdoor tub. Spectacular views. It is very private. And your outdoor shower is right here. Making our way back in again. There you go. That is your spectacular tent tour of Kiri Camp, part of the M.T.M.B Safari Collection. All of them in Botswana thus far have been M.T.M.B camps. I ended up deciding to try all of their camps because I do use Tema Springs in Zimbabwe, and it is a favorite camp. So I figured let's give their other camps a try and see what we think of them. And I will be giving a bunch of endorsements soon. Not all of them made the cut, and we shall see if this one does. All right, take care everyone.